Good afternoon. Ito ang linuto ko. Matry akong makain nito. Yung mga ano yan? Oh, hindi pa ako nakakain nito. Ita-try ko lang. Matry ako. Yung ito mga binti ng manok. Ita-try ko lang kung ano ang lasa. Adobo. Okay. God bless everyone. Try ko. Ito. Luto rin ako ng ng carrots. Ito ang aking brown rice. Okay. Try akong makain. God bless everyone. Okay. Makain ako ng ito. Okay, mahugas lang ako ng kamay. Dali lang. Naglipat ako. Oh. Hindi ko tinitingnan ng ano. Wala pala itong laman. Masasanay na ako nito. First time kung kumain nito. Honestly. Nakita ko kasi sa na sa video YouTube nagluto ng ng ganito. Nagutom ako. Kaya ko kung ito pala may mga wala palang laman. Kaya ngayon alam ko na kung anong lasa ng ng ako lang naman na makain ito. Hindi naman makain nito ang aking mga anak. Nagluto ako adobo ko.
Yeah.
Surprise.
Sorry.
Wala isang sili.
Oh,
Nag
2:30. Okay, so um,
your dad is mm, parang yung sa ano, candy na maano, malagkit. Nagluto ako. Itong linuluto ko nga na ano, naamoy ng anak ko. Di lang tiningnan. Tapos na, nagulat. Tinanong ko kung gusto. Akala niya, adobong ano, yung ordinaryong karne. So yun, nag-ano na lang ako, nagluto na lang. Para makakain siya. That is, nalasahan ko na kung ano ito, kung ano ang lasa. Kasi na-curious ako.
oh yeah, so yeah, Mike texted me. Okay, so 2:30 instead. So two in the morning, not 3.
Okay. Okay.
So
At least you know.
I made sure that
You, tell your dad, message your dad. At least naanuhan ko na kung anong lasa nito. Adobo, inadobo ko. Walang makeup si si Lola. Ako lang naman makain ito. See? Ako lang naman makain ito. Lalaking lalaking manok. Tingnan mo ang mga ano niya. Wala pa lang talagang karne. At least na try ko na. Hindi na ako ano kayang lasa. First time kong makakain ito. Matawag kaya ako kay Papa. Ilang araw na kong hindi nakatawag. Alexa, what time is it in the Philippines? Alexa, what time is it in the Philippines?
It's 6:40 a.m. in the Philippines right
No,
now.
6.
That's 15 hours ahead of your current time in Abbotsford.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ito, papunta na kami sa gabi. Pilipinas, paano? Paumaga. Ano po lang dito? Friday.
Okay.
Hi, Lugi.
Yeah.
Do it now.
Yeah. So yeah, you got my text message?
Yeah, I'm gonna see it later.
Yeah.
Because I'm using my,
Are you using your phone right now for? Okay.
I'm doing my video.
So yeah, I'll be sleeping at around 4 instead of 5.
Right now, around 5 like now,
No, like around 4:30 or something.
in the afternoon.
Yeah.
Okay.
Used to be 5, but now it's 4 because yeah, leaving earlier.
You think it's I'm making adobo, chicken adobo?
Chicken adobo?
Yeah, you think?
Oh, you for dinner?
No, you think I'm
It
cooking?
smelled like you were cooking adobo, but then I saw those like chicken legs. Like, I want the meat, not the legs.
First time I eat this.
What do you think of it?
It's all skin.
It's all skin. Yeah,
No,
I prefer actual meat.
no meat.
Yeah, that's not filling for me.
No.
That's if I had that for dinner, that wouldn't be filling. It wouldn't be good.
No meat.
Yeah.
It's all skin.
Yeah.
So
That's-
I just tried it because I never tried this. This is my first time to eat this one here. See, like
Yeah.
this.
That's fair. Yeah, next time, actually get,
Yeah, I'm gonna get chicken.
yeah,
I'm gonna go to Panisha to send money to Papa.
right.
So we're gonna go down there. You pay my bills already, sweetie?
Yes.
Okay,
I
good.
paid the bills. It's all paid off.
My credit card.
Yeah.
Yeah. Too bad this is not a real chicken.
I know.
Chicken skin.